Hi, I'm Dr. Smith, and welcome to our channel. We are dedicated to providing you with the latest and most reliable health information. In today's video, we'll discuss 5 common, yet often ignored medical conditions that could silently harm your health if left untreated. These conditions are more prevalent than you might think and can have serious consequences. Understanding these conditions can help you take proactive steps toward a healthier life. Stay tuned as we delve into each condition, its symptoms, and what you can do to prevent or manage them effectively. First on the list is hypertension, a common yet often overlooked condition that affects millions of people worldwide, also known as high blood pressure. This condition occurs when the force of the blood against your artery walls is too high. Often called the silent killer, it shows no symptoms but can lead to serious complications like heart disease and stroke. Without regular monitoring, it can go unnoticed for years. Regular blood pressure checks and a healthy lifestyle, including exercise and a balanced diet, can make a huge difference in managing and preventing hypertension. Next, we discuss type 2 diabetes. Early signs like increased thirst, frequent urination, and constant fatigue are easy to overlook, but they are crucial indicators. But without timely treatment, it can severely affect your kidneys, eyes, and even your nerves, leading to serious complications. High cholesterol is another silent threat. You won't feel it, but it can clog your arteries over time, increasing the risk of heart attack or stroke. Regular lipid profile tests and a balanced diet are key to managing it. Another condition is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. Often dismissed as a smoker's cough, it's a progressive condition that can severely impact your breathing. If you're a smoker or experience persistent cough and shortness of breath, consult a doctor immediately. And finally, let's talk about thyroid disorders. Symptoms like unexplained weight gain or loss, fatigue, and mood swings can often be mistaken for everyday stress. Yet, they could indicate an overactive or underactive thyroid gland, which requires medical attention. These conditions may not always show symptoms early, but their impact can be life-altering. It's crucial to stay informed and proactive about your health. Regular screenings can detect issues before they become severe. Remember, regular checkups and early intervention can save lives. By catching potential problems early, you can take steps to manage or even prevent serious health issues. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more medical insights. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable health information. Together, let's prioritize health. Stay informed, stay healthy, and encourage others to do the same. Thank you for watching.